Okay, first of all, I want to apologize for the horrible lighting. I want to show you something real quick. You know how you've been working on something for literal hours, and then when you go to push save or make it or something, it is stuck, and you're like, oh my goodness, I don't want to lose all my work that I just did. I will show you what to do. So when you click save, and then it say, click saves, and then you get this green bar, I don't think you can see it, as if it's saving. But then after a while, it goes away, right? And then when you hover over save, it's still there, like it got stuck. So here's what you do. So you go up here to File, and click on New Window, and a new window will pop up. And then you might have to wait a second. Then it says sign in. Even though you didn't sign out, just do what I say. It will work. You sign in, and you have to do your thing. So once you put all your stuff, you sign in, and then it pulls, up that. Now, minimize this, okay? Now try to save your item. Save. There we go. Ta-da! So you didn't lose any of your work. No need to freak out. I freaked out for 5 or 6 times before this, and I found this out. So this other one that's that you have open, you can actually close it, and of course it'll say quit, and you have your work still on the background. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry about the lighting, but I just had to share this hack because I know there's so many people out there that say, they do all this work and then they lose it because it won't save. And this is a great idea. Thanks for watching.